Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a green screen effect on OBS. It's actually a pretty easy setup. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on your webcam, going to right click, go to filters. Once you're under the filters, you go to the effect filters tab and you hit that plus emblem right there. Once you click that, you're going to hit chroma key. You can name it if you wish. I choose not to because it doesn't really matter to me. It doesn't show up. So once you do that, hit OK. It's going to automatically default to green. You can change it to another color or you can modify it down here. Choice is yours. I don't do either. Once you're done, just hit close. Okay, now you're going to add an image. So to do that, you're going to hit the plus sign again, and then you're going to hit image. In this case, I already have an image, so I don't have to add one. But whenever you add your image, it's going to show up on top of your webcam. Don't worry about that. Just rescale it to your webcam size, and then move the webcam underneath it. Here, I'll show you what it looks like whenever it's on top. So here's my image. The way that I do mine is I just screen size it, and then I actually throw a filter on it. I just throw a blur, and to do that I'll show you how. Right click, hit filters, attach your filter, and then you can do it however you wish. This is just the way that I set mine up. Just remember, the stronger that you go, changes your image more. Me, I keep mine at 3. Once you're done with that, just hit close. Now all you have to do is move the image behind your webcam, and then boom, there you go. Now for those of you who are wondering how to do a video, it's the same process. So let me go ahead and hide this real quick. Then you're going to hit plus, and then you're going to hit media source this time. Now of course you go and find your media source, which is going to be a local file. In this case, I've got one of my downloads ready to go. So click your video, hit OK, and then I suggest putting it on loop if you don't have a long file. And I choose to close mine when inactive. Now here's my video, and of course it's bigger than my image, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rescale it. Once it's rescaled, there we go. Now that it's rescaled, you're just going to put it behind your webcam again, and this time you've got a video. And as you can see, everything in the background is moving. Of course, it doesn't look proportioned correctly because I didn't record it. But there you go. That's how you do a picture and a video onto a green screen on OBS. Hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.